What's going on, guys? Torn RC here. Check it out. I'm here at my Wltoys 144010 Brushless 114th. One of the baddest buggies on the planet. All right. I love this thing, man. Check it out. Got some new wheels. That's the purpose of this video. Yeah, man, got some metal ones, and I got these separate. All right, they seem pretty good. Seem more like for off-road though, but I'll test them on and off-road. I had to glue these on. I think I did a half decent job. Not bad. But check out the older wheels. Check this out. These are the fronts. Lost a lot of tread. And these are the rear, which are bigger than the front ones. But these ones, same size, no big deal. I went head to head with this and this. This is a Wltoys 1440-01, one of my favorite buggies of all time. That's an epic battle. Also went head to head with this guy, the Wltoys Brushless 114th. Another epic battle. Check those out, guys. All right, stay tuned for the run with this thing, on-road and off-road. This thing looks pretty sick. See you guys on the next video. Later.